Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. I'm Taha, and today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in entrepreneurship, how AI can transform your startup. With artificial intelligence evolving faster than ever, there are incredible tools out there that can save you time, cut costs, and give you a competitive edge. Stick around as I reveal 5 game-changing AI tools you need to know in 2025 to take your startup to the next level. Number 1. ChatGPT for business automation. Let's start with an AI tool you're already familiar with, ChatGPT. What it does: handles customer support, generates content, and even automates emails. Why it's great: it saves time and improves efficiency without the need for a large team. Pro tip: use integrations with tools like Zapier to automate repetitive tasks. ChatGPT is like having a 24/7 assistant that scales with your business. 2. Midjourney for design. Next up is Midjourney, a tool that's redefining graphic design for startups. What it does: generates stunning visuals, logos, and marketing materials using AI. Why it's great: no need for expensive designers or lengthy revisions, just input your idea and you're ready to go. Pro tip: pair it with Canva for final touches to create professional-grade visuals. Midjourney is perfect for startups that need high-quality design on a budget. 3. Notion AI for productivity. Notion AI is a must-have for organizing your startup operations. What it does: enhances task management, content creation, and brainstorming with AI-powered suggestions. Why it's great: streamlines workflows, keeps your team aligned, and helps you stay on top of deadlines. Pro tip: use templates to set up project boards and track progress effortlessly. With Notion AI, productivity becomes second nature. 4. Jasper AI for marketing. If you're struggling with marketing content, Jasper AI has you covered. What it does: creates ad copy, blog posts, and social media content in seconds. Why it's great: tailored templates make it easy to produce content that resonates with your audience. Pro tip: use Jasper's A/B testing features to refine your messaging and maximize engagement. Jasper is your go-to tool for scaling your marketing efforts without a full team. 5. 11 Labs for audio and voice. Finally, let's talk about 11 Labs, an AI tool revolutionizing audio production. What it does: generates realistic voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or training materials. Why it's great: affordable and versatile, it gives your content a polished, professional touch. Pro tip: use it to create multilingual content and reach global audiences. 11 Labs makes high-quality audio production accessible to startups of all sizes. How to implement these tools? Now that you know the tools, here's how to use them effectively. Start small. Test 1 or 2 tools before committing to a full suite. Integrate wisely. Look for tools that work seamlessly with your existing systems. Train your team. Make sure everyone understands how to use these tools to maximize their potential. AI is powerful, but the key is to align it with your business goals. And there you have it, 5 essential AI tools for startups in 2025. 1. ChatGPT for business automation. 2. Midjourney for design. 3. Notion AI for productivity. 4. Jasper AI for marketing. 5. 11 Labs for audio and voice. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your operations, boost your creativity, and focus on what matters most: growing your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite AI tool in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using AI in your startup. Until next time, stay innovative and keep building. See you in the next video.